Hi, it's DelRevDPM, otherwise known as Russ Hanlon. I have a really cool video today to talk about something historic. I picked up a coin today. It's a Qatar and Dubai coin from 1966. This coin represents a time when Qatar and Dubai had very good relations. In fact, they shared their central bank for a short period of time in 1966, right after the trucial state period ended, after British rule in the Gulf was ending. So as you can see, it says Qatar and Dubai. It's 1 dirham. It has a wonderful antelope on it. And there's only 1 million of these that are minted. Now this coin's in pretty rough shape, but it demonstrates or represents a time when Dubai and Qatar, or UAE and Qatar, got along. Now that's all changed. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about what just happened with the Asia Cup. Qatar actually won it, so I'll show you some highlights on that, and we can talk more about the blockade. Thank you. So here we go with the mayhem after UAE played in Abu Dhabi against the host Dubai, or actually UAE. As you can see, they were being pelted by missiles, shoes, which is a big taboo, and bottles. Here's the coin itself that I got. You can see that there was a shared central bank in 1966 through 1971, I believe. Only 1 million made of this 1 dirham that I have. Lovely coin. And now back to some of the highlights. The first highlights I'm showing is the UAE versus Qatar, and UAE was ranked higher than Qatar, and they were expected to win. In fact, Qatar wasn't even supposed to qualify for the Asia Cup, which they did, and it's a miracle, one of the greatest upsets. This is our standout defender or goalkeeper. So they beat all the powerhouses. They beat all the Asian countries. They also beat Switzerland, number 8 in the world, back in December. So Qatar is for real, with only 325,000 people. These two gentlemen, and this bicycle kick is amazing, have been playing together for over 10 years. They're products of the Aspire Academy, which is a famous academy here in Qatar that teaches excellence in sports, specializing really on FIFA. Their whole model has been to have one coach from Barcelona for the last 12 years, I believe. He has had these gentlemen, these young players, this whole time. They were on the under-12 team with them, then they were under the 18 team where they won the Asia Cup with the same players, then the under-23, and now they're the actual national team. So they have great players who are local. They're either Qatari or been here their whole life and become naturalized Qatari citizens. So my hats off to Qatar for winning this amazing tournament. It's a really big deal, and they're hosting the FIFA World Cup in 2022, and they're a team that is for real. So I'll show the Japanese victory here next. Here's some of the scores from the Japanese victory, which they should have never won. So it's an amazing success story, but it also foils against the fact that Dubai and Qatar do not get along at all now. There's a huge blockade now. None of the Qatari citizens could go to watch this, and it was blockade. They blacked out the game that Qatar was playing, so you couldn't watch it. You had to go find it. It's really unsportsmanlike what UAE did, and I believe they're going to be sanctioned for their handling. And this was a big showcase for them. It was their biggest sporting events for 10 years. And imagine this, their sports stations didn't even cover this important match, a very important match in the Arab world. So anyway, I am really proud, even though I'm not Qatari, of how the Qataris played. And I can hope for the best that this blockade by UAE, Bahrain, and Saudi Arabia against Qatar will end soon. And we go back to the days when coinage was the same, and they were brotherly neighbors. Whereas right now they're bitter foes and enemies. So here comes the video showing them hoisting the Asia Cup. What a marvelous celebration. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.